Good morning, first graders. This is Mrs. Williams. I hope you guys are doing well. Today we are being scientists or entomologists. And an entomologist is the study of insects. And today we're going to be talking about butterflies. And butterflies go through a thing called metamorphosis. Metamorphosis means change. And a butterfly looks totally different than a caterpillar. So when a butterfly is born, they look like this. Or when it hatches from an egg, they look like this. And then they go through a big transformation called metamorphosis to look like this. So this is an adult, and this is a baby. And when there's a big change, that's metamorphosis. So we're going to talk about the life cycle of a butterfly. Metamorphosis means big change. Egg, you know what an egg is. A larva is the second stage in a caterpillar's life. That's the part where it's a caterpillar. Pupa is when it forms into that chrysalis and starts to make its change. A chrysalis is like a little sac that the caterpillar uses to change into a butterfly. And then adult, that's the final stage in a butterfly's life. So I was going to show you some pictures, and I am going to make this a little bit bigger so that you could see it. Zoom over there. So right here I have an adult butterfly. Now that is the final stage in a butterfly's life cycle. So there's a 4 next to it. Well, this adult butterfly is going to be laying an egg. And an egg is the butterfly's first stage in its life, a butterfly egg. And as the caterpillar emerges from the egg, let's see, I have some really cool pictures here. So here's the egg, and the caterpillar hatches out of the egg, and it starts to eat the milkweed plant. And then it continues to eat the milkweed plant. And all 3 of these stages are the second stage. It's the larva or caterpillar. And you can see that it just keeps growing and eating and eating and eating until it grows so big, and it's finally ready to transform into a pupa or a chrysalis, which is the 3rd stage in a butterfly's life. The first thing that a caterpillar will do is find the bottom part of a leaf, and in our observation, it'll find the very top part of the habitat, and it'll form into a J shape. And this is the first stage in the pupa stage. So this is J shape, and then eventually it'll form a chrysalis. And that'll stay there for about 10 days, maybe more, maybe less. And then it'll emerge from this sac, and its wings will be wet, and it'll start to pump its wings, and the wings will get filled, and it'll turn into the adult butterfly. And so those are the stages or life cycle of a butterfly. Adult butterfly, butterfly egg. Second stage is larva or caterpillar. Chrysalis or pupa is the 3rd stage in a butterfly's life. And finally, it becomes an adult. You can draw this life cycle. You can make this life cycle. I've seen some really cool videos where this life cycle has been made out of pasta. They use some bow tie pasta and some little kind of some tapioca type stuff for the egg, and then a spirally pasta for the caterpillar, and then I think it's a seashell pasta for the chrysalis. And if you wanted to glue those pieces onto a plate and then draw that out the life cycle, that would be really cool. Any other ways that you want to show it to me, be creative, and I would love to see them. share them with pictures. I hope you're having a wonderful day.